Hello. And finally, I was waiting for this since inauguration of Donald Trump on 21st of January, because today the trade just dropped by 5%, especially Nasdaq, and this is the momentum for trading and to kick off the investment series Invest with Marie Olivier. So here we will be discussing a lot about trading, and I want to motivate you, and especially women but also young people, to start investing as soon as possible. It doesn't need to be some hazard. I do really easy and safe stock picking, and we will be here discussing really details, and you can even give me in the comments your questions that you want me to answer next time. This will be a monthly show, which I'm super excited about that we are kicking it off today. And I have a budget of 500 euros, which is $524 each month, that I want to invest in different stocks, ETFs, and also crypto. Today I had a bigger budget, which was 1,000 euro, which means $1,049, because I didn't invest anything in December because I wanted to save a bit of money for inauguration of Donald Trump. I want to also tell you more about my style, because there are different styles that you can have approach to. So some people do daily trading. I'm not really a daily trader because I don't have time for it. I'm a business owner and entrepreneur, and therefore I am more doing long-term investment. I am very barely selling sometimes the stocks that I'm holding, and I am doing the stock picking. So I am mainly focusing on the geopolitical situation, because I am involved in the international relations already for 10 years, and I really like to read news. I like to read about different people, about the policies that they are enforcing, and this is exactly why we are here today, because the inauguration of Donald Trump finally kick off. And we are seeing it not only politically, but also on the international market, and the market is right now in a really good momentum. I am not the financial advisor. I am here to just give you tips and tricks on how I do investing for the financial independence, and I think that everybody, and I mean everybody, should invest in something at some place. And also I really advise you to set a budget each month. So for example, I have 500 euros each month. You can have less, you can have more, even 50 euros every month is enough. So I will leave this up to you, what is your budget, and I will be covering 7 stocks, from which I invested in 6 at the end. Also, I want to tell you more about my achievements, so why I am actually here to speak to you. And it's mainly because when I was reviewing my statistics, I could see really a big achievements that I did over the past 5 years of investing. And I have profit and loss, which is that you take the amount that you have invested and you do the difference between how much did you earn from that exact stock. So it's really the clear profit and loss, that if you would withdraw without the fees, then also, and without the taxes, how much would you earn. And in stock picking, which I am doing each month, I gain 57% of profit and loss. I have 13% of ETFs, so investing in the different funds, for example, around technology, small, medium companies, etc. And then also I have 60% of profit and loss in crypto, where I am mainly investing in Ethereum and Bitcoin. So this is just in a nutshell about me, why I'm here and what I want to do in these episodes, which will have the monthly frequency. And let's now jump on the different stocks that I chose after the Donald Trump inauguration. So the first one is called VRT, which is really practical stock that I find out after I started to brainstorm about what do we need for technology. Because last year I had a project Innovatology, and I spent a lot of time in the different tech companies, and I spoke with a lot of tech people, AI people, and you know very well that technology is just on the boom. But what are the different equipments and the sectors that we need in order to keep technology running? And then I found this really cool company, VRT, which is called Vertiv, and they provide cooling. And cooling will just not get outdated, trust me. You need cooling, especially for artificial intelligence, and this exact company does it. And they are rivaling of NVIDIA. You know, NVIDIA is a very big tech company as well. And we could see 700% that this stock had rise of Vertiv since 2022. And we can see also with the development of AI that there is going in parallel the upward trend of this company. So it's a really interesting one, Vertiv VRT, and I bought 3 of them for $336, and I think that this one is really important because they are providing advanced cooling systems essential for AI centers. So, you know. Then there is the second one, and it's ETF, and this I didn't decided at the end to invest in it because I then found out something better. But in case that you would like to also give a bet on this one, it's because Donald Trump is really for technology, small medium companies. He's going to put money in the guns and also in the weaponization of the US. And when I was looking at his policies, what he wants to do, how he, for example, didn't sign the Paris Agreement, how he is actually not going to support the climate change, he wants to really invest a lot of money in the oil companies, I then chose this ETF. And it's called IJH, which is iShares Core S&P Mid-Cap ETF. Which means that inside this ETF, which is a fund of mid-capitalization US equities, so you have inside small and medium companies that are actually currently on the US market. So if you want something to invest in based on the Trump policies, because he's a big businessman and he's going to support small and medium companies, then this fund is definitely one of them that I would invest in this month. But then let's wait until the end. What did I choose? Then it's a tech and augmented reality, and it's called PTC. This one is mainly about technology, and also I mainly chose it because there was a slight drop, and I believe in technology, augmented reality. I really like virtual reality, so this was really a good pick for me. And it's mainly the firm primarily provides technology platforms for smart and connected products, operations and systems. PTC included is involved in computer-aided design, product lifecycle management, Internet of Things, and augmented reality. So it's not only virtual reality, AI, VR, but also other stuff which are included in smart and connected products. So you can tell we will need this. It's a really good stock as well to invest in, and I bought $190 per one stock PTC. We have next one, which is TRMB. It's again technology. I pretty much believe in technology, and you probably too if you are watching me at some point. And this one is about GPS, lasers, and optical. So it's more practical in the case like when we are speaking about navigation and these things. And TRMB means Trimble included, and it's American technology company with headquarters in California. And the company is primarily engaged in provision of advanced positioning solutions, including GPS, laser, optical, and also other technologies like wireless communication systems. It was already founded in 1978, so you can definitely tell they have a history, these guys. So you can check them out. I invested into 2 stocks for $77 each, and there is really a strong buy in this one. Then we have a bit of warfare because, unfortunately, Trump is going to weaponize America. So I was looking for some stock in weapons, security, and these things. At the beginning, I was looking at Lockheed Martin Corporation, but I didn't really like it at the end when I was analyzing it. It was really volatile, not really in the situation when I would invest in it. And then I found this alternative, which is KTOS. It means Kratos Defense and Security Solutions included, babe. So it's an American military defense and security manufacturing company with a focus on advanced weapon systems, contracts, vehicles. Cybersecurity is inside it as well. And we have missile defense, hypersonic systems. I was working for NATO in the past, so I know what I'm speaking about, like hypersonic training, combat systems, you know, let's go for it. So I bought 3 of KTOS, which one is currently at $34 per one. So I spent for this one $102 in total. So we are almost at the end of my shopping basket for this month. Then I have the one that I exchanged at the end for the ETF. You remember that one about the small medium companies that I at the end didn't choose, because there is one really good pick that I invested in the past and it's really making me a lot of money, and it's TSM. So it's semiconductors, and when I saw that they actually dropped today by 14%, I was like, wait a minute, I want it, because actually Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, TSMC, is the largest specialist producer of semiconductors in the world with 57% of the foundry market share. The company's core focus is manufacturing semiconductors and integrated circuits products. Semiconductors are essential components in electronic products, so you can find it really in everywhere. So it's really going well together with the different stocks that I bought, like for example the cooling one. And yes, I really liked how it dropped down today, so this is why I invested. I didn't buy the full stock because I actually didn't have enough money for buying the full stock, but I just bought just partially the stock, which I invested in it $155 in TSM. And then at the end, of course, we have a crypto, because I believe in in cryptocurrency, because I'm just fed up by banks and centralized system and things like this, and I believe in technology, Web3. So of course I'm going to invest in crypto. It's just, not everybody have enough money to buy the whole Bitcoin. Yeah, I wish. So I'm actually investing every month 10% of my budget. So in this case is $50, and I am going to put every month 10% of the budget in the crypto, and more specifically in the Bitcoin. So currently the prices that I told you are as of 27 January. And also today I had a bigger budget, which was €1,000, which means $1,049, because I didn't invest anything in December because I wanted to save a bit of money for inauguration of Donald Trump. So this was the main reason why I, for example, told you that I invested in the VRT. I bought 3 stocks, which means 336, so that I could actually afford more today than usually. But from now on, I would like to make this a monthly series to tell you more about my stock picking journey. I will be always updating you each month in the percentages, how much I made since the last month on these stocks that we have chosen. And you can then follow me for more tips when it comes to the investment, financial independence, and all of these stuff. One more, there is a disclaimer, I'm not financial advisor, but I believe that you should start invest too. And I hope that some of my insights from geopolitical sphere will also bring you a peace of mind into your investments. So thank you, namaste. No, I'm kidding. So until next time, I hope that we are going to reach together the financial independence. Bye!